In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. To do this, first log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the Marketing tab and click on Ads. This will open the Ads dashboard where you can manage all your ad accounts. Next, click on Connect Account or Ad Account and select Facebook Ads from the list of available options. You'll be redirected to Facebook where you need to log in and authorize HubSpot to access your Facebook Ads account. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions so HubSpot can track and manage your campaigns. Once connected, you can choose which ad accounts and pages you want to sync with HubSpot. After confirming, your Facebook ads will now be linked, and you can start creating ads, tracking leads, and measuring performance directly from HubSpot. That's all there is today. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.